Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Uniswap, I bought a lot of it last night, and it pumped 20% after I bought it. Big congratulations to anyone following me on Twitter or inside our Telegram. I messaged it on Twitter and Telegram. I didn't have enough time to make a video. It was already very late at night. BNB also up 10%, hitting my targets. Congratulations. If you followed that target, was in January 2023, and yesterday it hit it. Big congratulations on Uniswap BNB. I'm going to do Bitcoin Uniswap BNB. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I've been trading for 24 years. I've been making daily videos for 4 years. You can watch them for free. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Now, we're going into the technicals. And look at this, Uniswap up 18%, BNB up 8%, Bitcoin up 2.4%. And this is why I've been moving more into alts than I have into Bitcoin. I was buying heavy Bitcoin at 15K back down here in 2020 to 2023. Then I got out here. It's a little bit higher than when I got out, but in my opinion, the meat of the move is already complete. So now I want to go into things that can move more. For example, yesterday Uniswap moved 20%, and this was my tweet yesterday. You can follow him on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I've got 85,300 followers. This was 8 hours ago. Bought more Uniswap. 8 hours, because why? I saw a bull flag on Uniswap. See this bull flag? Bull flag. Bought more Uniswap 8 hours ago. I posted this. It was already nighttime, and boom, 2 hours ago, 5 hours later, Uniswap pumping. Big congratulations, anyone who followed those buys. Let's go into Bitcoin, 70,000. The meat of the move is finished, in my opinion. The fourth to fifth wave is final. Final wave. Stochastic still heading up. That's good. We got some volume coming in. Crypto Guru Bot still firing a blue buy like it fired back in February 2023. Still a blue buy, hasn't flipped to red sell. I monitored it closely. On the daily, Stochastic turned up very strong with big buying volume. And Bitcoin went from, in the last 2 days, it went from 67,000 to now 70,000. It's fighting with this resistance line. You can see this resistance line. Bitcoin is trying to fight it. And that resistance line actually creates a giant symmetrical triangle, actually. On this main trend line, this yellow trend line that Bitcoin's been on all year. But it looks like it's trying to break out. However, there is a little bit of a warning. This is a rising wedge. It's a bearish pattern. Builds pressure, and breaks down. So right now, Bitcoin is pumping out, but it is expected, actually, because these break down 70% of the move. 70% of the move would be around here and to break down. So, but it's breaking through this big resistance downtrend line at the same time. Stochastic's heading up. That's good volume coming in. It looks like it can push out. It is making a lower low, but you can see there is a bull flag here also in the shorter term time frames on the 4 hourly. This bull flag here. However, I can't go long here. Why? Because if I go long here and then Bitcoin does this, where everyone went long a week ago and then drops down like this, instantly liquidated. People went long here, drops down, instantly liquidated. So right now, it's not the time to go long, in my opinion. I need some kind of pullback, and the pullback I'm looking for is after this rising wedge plays out. Rising wedge builds pressure and then breaks down. I've got two trades open. The ones I've got set for a while, 63K and 59K. This one is 62 risk to reward, risking 410 to make $25,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage, 10x leverage 250. And this one is 47 times, 62 and 59. And you can see that over on Bybit. You can see I've got these two trade setups. At 63K, I've got 3 Bitcoin. 60K, I've got 10 Bitcoin. Doge, I've got 11 cents. Over in this account, I've got 623K, which is up $12,000 from yesterday, which is beautiful. And that's up because of Uniswap only. And this is the breakdown of my assets. Doge, I've got 3.8%. USDT, I've got 38%. MCRT, I've got 18%. Bitcoin, I've got 13%. Uniswap, I increased my position. I've got 11%. And Uniswap really pushed out yesterday. Let's go into Uniswap. And again, these are the trades I would set up on Bitcoin. I would wait for I would wait for this rising wedge to play out before going long on Bitcoin. I need this rising wedge to play out to activate at 63 and 59. It is possible that we break out of this bull flag, and it is already breaking out. The base of the bull flag would be the target. But again, I want to see for me, I want to go long only on some kind of pullback, because going long now is quite dangerous. A breakout of this bull flag target would be the breakout of this bull flag target would be taking us to 77k. A lot of 77k, but again, I need to get in at half before some kind of huge pump. Uniswap, we got in yesterday, and then boom. Why did I get in? Clear bull flag on Uniswap as well. We had this pole, we had this flag, which is a bull flag, and that's broke out since yesterday, playing out perfectly. I called it. Congratulations. And look at the buy volume. It wasn't just me. Massive buyers came into Uniswap from that moment, and it's already since that buy, it's up. It went to a top of 25%, now sitting at 21%. Congratulations, everyone. Let's zoom out and see what we're seeing. I'm seeing a big cup and handle playing out on Uni here. Huge cup and handle. The base of the cup and handle is the distance that we can expect Uni to run. And it's a clear cup and handle with increasing volume. The base of the cup and handle is here. And if we put it here, that target on Uniswap is $14. $14.70 on Uniswap of this cup and handle with increasing volume, which is very good news. BNB also breaking out, and BNB, I called it a long time ago. This is again over on my Twitter, James Crypto Guru. Make sure the blue check mark, 85,300 followers. And this was me posting about 5 hours later about Uni. Bought more Uni 8 hours ago before that pump. Look at that on that case of the bull flag, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. And this was me in 1st January 2023. Inverse head and shoulders on BNB, smaller time frame and hourly. If this breaks the large symmetrical triangle in daily time frame, BNB can be going to 646. We were buying BNB at $200, $250 in 2022, 2023, $250. This was when it was at 310, and my target was 646. Fast forward till yesterday, and boom, BNB is at 669. It's also making this big rising triangle with a target of 797, which is beautiful. Big congratulations, anyone that followed those buys at $250 last year in 2023. 250 we were buying it, and now we're at 669. And I think last night it went even more. It's now 682. Big congratulations, everyone. I'm still holding all my BNB that I bought back then, and I haven't sold any yet. My target is 779. And again, big congratulations to all of you. If you want to learn all of this, going underneath the video, go down below, sign up to the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. This is the main exchange I use. When you use this link and you join the other gurus, take the crypto masterclass to learn all this, get the bots, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in the Telegram and a few hundred of you anytime online. And again, big congratulations, everyone, on Uniswap from yesterday and BNB from end of 2022 playing out. Took almost 1.5 years to play out. 15 months later. Big congratulations, everyone. Love you all. And now I'm staying in BNB, staying in Uniswap, and I want to look at Doge as well, because I lessened my Doge position to try and get this pullback, and it's not really pulling back Doge. We need to see if volume is increasing. Doge played out, broke down out of this rising triangle that Bitcoin was also in, but it's trying to retest it now. It's not back inside like Bitcoin is, but it's also, you can see this bigger overall descending triangle on Doge that's building pressure, and it's trying to break out right now, but usually it breaks out 70% of the move. And volume dropping, unlike Uniswap, but it is turning up on the daily, and it is trying to break out of this resistance. And it looks like it is going to break out. We just need some kind of news on Doge. Clear double bottom here, but a little bit dangerous to be going big long here. I need to go long on a big pullback on Doge, but buying spot I think is quite secure here. So I'm going to buy more spot on Doge. I've got 3.8%. So I'm going to convert some of the Uni that I bought into spot. Yeah, better I convert some of this Uniswap, because already Uniswap pumped quite a bit, already 20% since yesterday. You can see it's up 20%, and I've got around 40. How much? I've got 57,000 Uniswap now. I can convert some of it into Doge, so I'm gonna sell $5,000 worth. No, I'll sell $10,000 worth, and I'll move it into Doge. So I sold 10,000. So let's see if it reduced my position. So 204, I've got 93K MCRT also up 1.6%. Bitcoin up 2.6%. I've got 70K, one Bitcoin, 70,700. Uniswap, I sold that 10K. Nice. So I had 57K Uniswap. Now I have 47K. And I'm going to now move that difference into Doge. Doge spot. So I'm going to buy $10,000 worth of Doge. Actually, let's modify this order. I'll do $5,000 at 61.20, and at 61, I'm going to do another $5,000. So that will increase my Doge position another 10,000. So I'll be holding Doge 3%, but that's going to increase now as these buys execute. It's starting to fill, you see? Orders fill, Doge. It's starting to fill these orders. Okay, let's see if it plays out. I want these orders to fill, but right now it's quite steady. Okay, I could cancel this one and just buy into it right now. Yeah, I'll cancel this one and I'll buy what's available here. So that's buying up. Beautiful. So I'm buying $10,000 worth of Doge. And I reduced Uniswap after that pump by $10,000, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Again, all the links are down below underneath the video. Exchanges, courses, Telegram. And don't forget, join me on Twitter. I posted about, you can see here on Twitter, follow at JAMYIES. Uniswap, I posted 8 hours ago and it pumped out of this bull flag, exactly as I said. And BNB, this was 1 year ago. No, BNB, 16 months later. Inverse head and shoulders, target 646. 16 months later, we're at 669. And then today, we're at 686, up 10%, which is beautiful. And I converted some of that Uniswap into Doge. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Follow me, learn. My goal is to buy the same kind of, I've been buying, like, for example, Bitcoin, Uniswap, Tesla, Google, Meta, Ethereum, BNB. I've been buying them for years and selling them for years. So I buy Tesla, I sold Tesla. I was buying Bitcoin, if you followed these videos, in 2020 at, I think it was 9K on these videos. Then we sold it at 64, bought it at 30, sold it at 69, bought it in the bear market at 16. I sold it at 67. Great journey. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I hope you learn from me. If you're skeptical, just keep watching my free videos and learn. Love you all. Congratulations on Uniswap, on BNB, and on Bitcoin. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.